Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about how you guys can promote clickbank product with paid advertising campaign. So um, I just got a new uh, advertising site that it's definitely worth if you just go and check this site out because it's one of the most unpopular website that you can purchase banner ads, purchase any um, campaign that you wants to promote your product with clickbank. So in this site that I just found out is very popular. Most of the people that they are advertising with clickbank, they are definitely advertise with this site. Okay, so I definitely recommend if you didn't try it, just try it out because it's all about keep trying and just seeing what does work and what does not. Okay, and like so many affiliate marketer that when they are looking for promoting clickbank product, they are looking for some way that they can find a good product. They are looking for some free traffic. They are looking for some you know uh, cheap traffic or this kind of things, but it's all depends which how you want to promote your product. Like it's not about the product because, as you know, clickbank is one of the biggest marketplace for affiliate marketer that they are promoting products. They are millions of dollars just they are selling it. It's about I think more than 3 billion they are selling it from past maybe 3 years. I think I'm not sure, but it's all it's going convert well because it's one of the popular marketplace in 2018, and from past years it was so it's not about the product or the affiliate program like clickbank. It's all about how you promote the product. Okay, all the product in clickbank, most of them converting well. That's why the people just going and promoting those products. For example, I'm just going to show you some product. This is my clickbank, uh, and if you guys don't have clickbank, it's just sign up. Signed up. It's free. You don't have to pay anything. It's free. Just go and just find some good product. Like it's very easy. I just go for business and investing because I like business and marketing. These kind of things. What I'm going to do is just go to gravity. I just choose the one of the best products that convert well at this time. As you guys can see, if you go to the sales rate, you guys can see 75% is commission. Okay, 75% is a sale, sorry. So the commission is very well, it is could be about 75%, most of them 60 to 75 to 80 sometimes, it depends, but it's going convertible. But this product, just you just go and just check it out. If you like, just go and promote this product. If you don't like, just go and choose another one. But these products, for example, converting well is 75% sales. It does gonna sell. It's not about the product that you are choosing or about traffic. Maybe you're struggling with free traffic. You don't want to pay for traffic, or it does work if you know how you can collaborate with other social media with free traffic, or you have some good experience with marketing. it does gonna convert well. But in the meantime, if you are beginner, I definitely recommend just try some paid traffic in the first, see how these things work, and once you get to that point that you earn some commission from clickbank, and you can pay for your paid advertising. That's gonna take place that you guys can go and use your time and just try to too many as many traffic as you can. Try social media, Google, Bing ads, YouTube, so many other paid traffic, free traffic. You guys can go and just looking around which convert well, and it's all about you know uh, trying things and see what's gonna work and what's not. So many people is different, but I recommend for you guys it's not keep trying. It's not gonna work. So you have to put the work so and try. So for example, I just got this product, retired millionaire. Looks like clickbank. People like to put their email is easy, just you get the email. But first you need to, for example, you put your uh, landing page. So what I'm gonna recommend you guys, if you want to build a good business, start create a landing page. The landing page is very easy. If you want to create good content, you know create a good landing page. I have so many other you know affiliate program that you guys can go and just get the landing page and put this product inside the landing page, and try to track your landing page, see where did you convert well, and how did you get good conversion. And the landing page, I'm gonna put the link in the description. You guys can go and check this out. There's an affiliate program called Conversion Pro. I personally use the landing pages because what it's all about. You guys can go and just check it out, and it's very easy to get the landing page and put your product inside the landing page and start buying advertising for your product. Okay, there's so many other landing page, clickbank, visual, so many other things. If you are familiar with them, that's great. If you're not, just try to create a simple landing page and try to promote. As long as you can get many emails and do the email marketing, it will be great. So what I have to do is, for example, I got this product, I got landing page on it, okay, and I'm gonna promote this product. Okay, what I'm gonna do is just go to promote, and I just put some traffic tracking link, like maybe Zoom. Okay, this is for example the word, the tracking ID that I put for my landing, you know for my link. Okay, I just copy the link, and got the link. I go to, I just choose any, yeah, and I go to that link and just I paste for the for my landing page. And after I put in the landing page, I definitely go to these websites. Okay, and for example, I want to promote the business and finance. What I'm going to do, I'm gonna go to business and finance. Now I'm gonna look for good website that converts well and the impression is high, so can purchase the website. I'm familiar with Warrior Forum because I heard this is very good platform that the people they're calling, or social media today, is many people just coming to search, for different kind of opportunity business, and they are looking for uh, you know for good conversion uh, business to convert their sales and this kind of thing. So what you're gonna do is just go and choose one of those ads, and the banner ads, and add to the cart. And for example, I added so many uh, you know banner ads, so many other advertising banners in my list. Just go and just see the body form. I got the I got the banner ads, and what I'm going to do is like 728 to 90 top center. It's a top center, okay, and like the price is like, if I want to choose like 50, this is 50 quantity, okay, 50,000 quantity. What I'm going to do is just upgrade this, and then I'm gonna put my link here. As I told you that I copied the link already, and just I copy the link here, and put the text on it. This is what users will see in some browsers when their mouse hovers over the ad, okay. For example, this is the product for the business, okay, and finance. The people wants to make money online. Like you guys can put best strategy to make just put this online 2000, for example 2019, okay, because this is gonna be like next year. 2019 is gonna come, and what I'm gonna do is just I put my link here. I put some good text on the link, and if I want to promote, if I want to upload some cool pictures about you know cool picture about how I can make money online, just go find some good pictures. But what you're gonna do is you need maybe 728 to 90, okay, maybe it does gonna convert. Voila, that's it guys. I got these ads, best strategy to make money online in 2019. This is my banner ads, okay, and this is my link. This is the text that I am putting it. um, uh, that's it. I just saved it, and if I want to just that. Okay, maybe if this link it's not converting, just go, and there is another website called uh, you know uh, short link. Just try to make your link similar and smaller, and then you can put your link here and just promote it. So I have like 15 minutes that I wanted to share with you guys about how I promote my clickbank offers. So that's 15 minutes gonna ends up. So I have to just leave it. But thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe if you guys enjoying this video, and stay until the next video.